Hi, I'm Hblack and today I'm going to talk about hyperthreading. So recently you may have heard about hyperthreading for AMD CPUs, or simultaneous multithreading for Intel CPUs. Both of them are pretty much the same thing with different optimizations. So what is hyperthreading? Hyperthreading is when a CPU core virtualizes a second core using extra resources which are either underutilized or idle for the main core. However, because these two cores share some key components, the two threads which are used to process command lines have to alternate using the most important components. So it's more like maximizing the efficiency of processing commands in a command line. So if both threads need, for example, the arithmetic logic unit, they will coordinate their actions so that the computer processes work in the most efficient way possible with their software. This is why the improvement to multi-core speeds tends to be 15 to 30% rather than a physical second core. So what does hyperthreading do practically? It optimizes the command line by splitting it into two threads. The lesser thread processes data that the main thread cannot currently process. This enables the computer to process more data and speeds up the actual PC by about 15 to 30% on average. This is useful for people who do video rendering, 3D model rendering, photo editing, or video encoding, as these programs are thread heavy and use multiple processors as well. These programs have more threads of code to process rather than one big thread of code. A lot of older software or more basic software uses one thread because it is easier to code or is just a limitation of the hardware of the time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment, and if you want to see more, subscribe and hit the bell icon.